Have you ever been in the middle of an argument and got so angry that you completely lost control? And then what? A few minutes, hours, or even days later, when you've calmed down, you regret your reaction. You think, I wish I hadn't reacted that way. I wish I had stayed calm. The truth is, anger can ruin relationships, make us lose great opportunities, lead to bad decisions, and even harm our physical and mental health. Many people believe that controlling anger is impossible, but here's the good news: it's absolutely possible. Today, in this video, you'll learn scientific, psychological, and practical techniques that will help you not only control your anger but, over time, never get angry at all. So if you want to always stay calm, composed, and in control of your emotions, make sure to watch this video until the end. Before we start, if you're interested in personal growth, emotional control, mental peace, and success in life, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Here, you'll learn the best scientific and practical strategies to improve your life. Why is controlling anger so important? You might think that getting angry is a natural emotion, and you're right. But the problem arises when this emotion controls you instead of the other way around. When you get angry, your body goes through significant changes. Your heart rate increases. Your stress hormone, cortisol, rises. Your muscles tense up. Your logical thinking fades, and emotional reactions take over. But that's just the beginning. Studies show that uncontrolled anger can lead to high blood pressure, heart problems, anxiety, depression, and even a shorter lifespan. That's why learning to manage anger isn't just a skill, it's a crucial necessity for a peaceful, successful, and healthy life. How to never get angry? 1. Stop anger in the moment, the 10-second rule. The first step to controlling anger is to give yourself time. When you're angry, your brain tends to react in the quickest and most emotional way possible. But if you just wait for 10 seconds before reacting, your mind gets a chance to make a better decision. How to do it? Before reacting, count to 10 in your mind. Take a deep breath, for 7-8 method. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. Exhale slowly for 8 seconds. Ask yourself, is this really worth getting angry over? In 80% of cases, after this short pause, you'll realize there's no need for a strong reaction. 2. Change your perspective, reframing situations. Most of the time, we get angry because of our own interpretation of events. Look at this example. You're walking on the street, and someone bumps into you. You think, how rude! He did it on purpose! You get angry. The same thing happens, but this time you think, maybe he didn't notice. Maybe he was in a hurry. You stay calm. What's the reality? The same event occurred, but your perception determined your reaction. If you can shift your perspective in moments of anger, you'll experience much more peace. 3. Identify the root cause. Why are you really angry? Sometimes, our anger has a deeper root. You might explode over a small issue, but the real reason behind your anger is something else. Are you exhausted and sleep deprived? Are you stressed at work? Do you have deep worries in your mind? Solution: every time you get angry, ask yourself, is my anger really about this situation, or is there something deeper behind it? Would I react the same way if I were well rested or in a better mood? When you identify the real cause of your anger, controlling it becomes much easier. 4. Practice mindfulness. One of the best ways to control anger is mindfulness. This technique helps you observe your emotions without reacting impulsively. A simple exercise. When you feel angry, close your eyes for a few seconds. Instead of focusing on what made you angry, pay attention to your body, your heartbeat, breathing, the heat or tension in your muscles. Without reacting, just observe your emotions. The result? This practice helps you gain control over your emotions instead of being controlled by them. 5. Find healthy ways to release emotions. Suppressing anger is like compressing a spring. The more you hold it down, the harder it will explode later. Instead of suppressing, release it in a healthy way. Exercise, activities like running, yoga, or weightlifting help release negative energy. Write your thoughts down, Writing helps you see your emotions clearly. Communicate instead of attacking. Instead of yelling, express your feelings clearly. For example, say, "This behavior upset me because..." Anger is a reaction that can be controlled. Use the 10-second rule to give yourself time before reacting. Change your perspective. Look at situations from different angles. Identify the real cause of your anger. It might not be what you think. Practice mindfulness to observe emotions without reacting impulsively. Find healthy ways to release negative energy. Now it's your turn. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos. Comment below, which method works best for you? Have you ever managed to completely control your anger? I look forward to reading your thoughts.